In this video, I'm going to show you how to use X to find meme coins. Now for this, we're going to be using Axiom, specifically Axiom's Twitter tracker, and you're going to need an Axiom account. So there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins, and they have an amazing Twitter tracker as well as a lot of different things such as the wallet tracker. You can basically use the reward system, which gives you Solana back just for trading, so they reward you with Solana for trading on Axiom. And you can of course set your own presets, your own slippage, priority and bribe fees, use the MAV protection, etc. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out, you won't regret it. So to actually use X to find meme coins, you want to go ahead on Axiom and then go to trackers up here. And then over here, you'll be able to see your Twitter alerts and the customize feed option. Here, this is going to be your list. So this is where you can add in your custom handles from X. Okay, so let's say you're adding in, for example, Elon Musk, and then some random people over here I have on my list that I'm following. And here you can just go ahead, search for handles, or you can add a handle in here. You can just enter in their username, and that way you can add them over here. And basically what's going to happen is you'll be able to start tracking them on here on Axiom directly. You can also go to top subscriptions and see which of these people are subscribed the most, which have the most boost, the most subscribers, and of course, basically are doing the best, okay? Now, you can go to my list over here. You can, of course, set that list. And then over here, you can go to Twitter alerts, and you can see the different tweets from those people. Now, what this will help you with is basically you'll be able to find a lot of good meme coins that way because, for example, Elon Musk, if they tweet something about, let's say Elon Musk tweets something about a random meme coin, you want to go ahead and sometimes that meme coin could be worth buying. Of course, that's not always, but like a lot of times that could happen, right? So you can use X on here on Axiom to actually find meme coins. So let's go to polls over here. You can pull up your Twitter tracker. You can have it on the side over here, left, right, bottom, whatever you want. And then whenever you actually do this, whenever you actually overlay your Twitter tracker, it's always going to stay here, okay? So it's going to stay on your screen like this. And then you can just see whenever a new update pops up, and you can, according to that, go ahead and look for different meme coins over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.